The Honeywell 12-pack of replacement inserts for the Honeywell Dual Layer Face cover comes with 12 individually wrapped genuine Honeywell filter inserts. This filter insert has been shown by a third-party testing facility to block up to 97% of 3-micron-sized non-viable particles and 0.1-micron-sized aerosolized particles. These filters were designed specifically for the Honeywell Dual Layer Face cover and are disposable single-use filters that you can throw away after a day's use, giving you a fresh filter and a fresh start every day. To use, simply face the mask so the inner portion is towards you. Next, take the new filter and slide the right side into the pocket that says R and the left side of the filter into the side that says L. The wings on the filter will hold the filter in place. For more information or to purchase this product or the Honeywell Dual Layer Face cover, visit www.honeywellstore.com.